Listicles get cited for 43% of all buyer searches in ChatGPT. And it's not just ChatGPT. Perplexity and Google AI Overviews build their answers from the same lists. If your brand isn't on those lists, you're not appearing when your buyers are searching. So here's the exact 4-step process to get your brand placed in Listicles. The best listicle prospects are the pages AI platforms are already citing. Take 4 buyer prompts, like best product for use case or competitor alternatives, and run them through ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Mode, and Google Search. Use a fresh incognito chat for every prompt and record every URL each platform cites in a spreadsheet. Then, upload that spreadsheet to ChatGPT and have it strip out everything that isn't a genuine third-party listicle. Now, widen the net. Search best your category in Ahrefs Content Explorer and filter for pages with 500 or more monthly organic traffic. Those are the listicles Google already trusts. By the end, you should have 50 to 80 targeted opportunities. We share the full process step by step in the post at LinksThatRank.com. Link in the description. But that's just the start. Some listicle placements will move the needle for your business, and some will waste your money. The Listicle Scorecard tells you which is which. It scores every prospect on 5 weighted criteria. Cited by an AI platform is worth 30 points. Ranking in Google's top 20 for the best category term is worth 25. Updated in the last 6 months is worth 20. Genuine editorial signals add 15. A competitor gap where a rival is listed and you're absent adds 10. Anything above 55 total points gets pitched first. Anything under 35 isn't worth your time. Score every prospect before you send a single email. Then it's time to pitch. Listicle outreach lives or dies on how easy you make the author's job. Find the author's business email with hunted.io and only fall back on generic contact addresses as a last resort. Then build what we call an entry blurb. It's a short write-up of your brand, who it's for, 2 verifiable facts, 1 differentiator, and pricing. Drop it in a Google Doc and link it in your email. Your email makes 1 argument. Their listicle skips a use case and your brand fills that gap with proof that you can verify. Expect placement fees and negotiate when the scorecard says the listicle is worth it. I recommend a maximum of 15 to 20 prospects per week, including follow-ups. Quality placements take time, and overloading yourself is how good opportunities slip. But it doesn't stop there. Ahrefs reviewed 1,100 listicles and found 79% of them were updated in the last 12 months. 26% had been updated in the last 2 months alone. Every update is a chance your brand gets cut from the list. So, track every placement in a spreadsheet, the URL, your position, the date it went live, and the date you last checked. Set a recurring 90-day calendar event and check every link is still live. If a link disappears, see who replaced you. Then offer the author an updated section they can drop straight in. You'll be surprised how many links you can reclaim. And don't forget, set up an Ahrefs alert so you get an email the moment a link drops. So that's the full process. The full guide is at LinksThatRank.com, or skip the outreach and use our new listicle link building service to feature your brand on sites with real organic traffic backed by our 23-point quality control review. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos like this one.